that Tantra deals with sexual energy, not with the sex. For sex, we have a different science, which is we call as Kamasutra, where everything connected to your physical pleasures, everything connected to how you can get more pleasures and how you can give more pleasures. So at least you get satisfied on the level of body. Once you get satisfied on the level of body, then only you can move into the spiritual path. Without satisfying on the level of body, you cannot satisfy it on mental level, and it will be impossible to get satisfied on spiritual level. So Kama Sutra is something different. But Tantra, we use sexual energy, not sex. That's the big difference. If somebody is teaching you sex on the name of Tantra, sorry, maybe he is not aware about Tantra. He's not having any experience from Tantra. He just created his own hypothesis, because there is no ancient scriptures available in the history which talk about sex, not sexual energy in Tantra. They talk about sexual energy. They talk only about sexual energy and how to use it. But all other things are also there with Tantra. But better, if you are interested in sex, I will advise you to go into the field of Kama Sutra, not into the field of Tantra.